What's up, guys? It's your girl, the real Moesha, and I am back with another video. And I know it's been a while, but your girl been handling business. But if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here, if you've been Mo fam, welcome back.
Energy is the chemistry. Oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need you.
But as y'all can see, I am driving, and I know y'all see by the title of the vlog, today will just be a regular entrepreneur vlog. It's raining outside today, and I hope this camera is not that shaky, because it actually looks like it's shaky. And if it is, I'm gonna just have to delete the whole thing, and I'm gonna be so mad. But it is raining outside, and I am on my way to the store because I was debating on if I even wanted to go to the store or not. But I like to be out. So if you have not shopped Mo Soft Skin, y'all, make sure y'all go follow Mo Soft Skin on Instagram, and make sure y'all go get something. Like, go get something nice. Go get something. Go get you some skincare. Go get you some cosmetics. Get you some lip gloss. And even if you don't want nothing, grab something for your sister. You need to check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Y'all, it's been a while. It's been, I believe, like 3 months since I filmed, and I really feel bad because I've been so busy that I just had to take a little time away so I can get my business straight. But I'm back now, and I feel like I need it. Y'all deserve a vlog today. Y'all deserve something from me. So I'm back, and I'm just gonna do a little quick vlog. It probably don't be that long, but I'm gonna take y'all to the school with me, and I'm gonna go back home, and I'm gonna handle my business. So Mo Soft Skin, y'all, I'm coming out with some more skincare products that I know my ladies will love. So I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. I just relaunched, and oh my god, y'all, today I reached 2K followers on my business Instagram, and I couldn't be more excited because it's been a long time. I put so much hard work into, you know, my business. So because y'all been really coming through, y'all been supporting me, and I can't tell y'all how much I appreciate it, because without you guys, this would not be possible. So I thank you guys so much for supporting me. But I'm getting ready to head to the store, so I will take you guys along when I get there. So guys, I just made it to the store. So hold on, let me get my tripod. Whew. Y'all, it's raining. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, but I done made it to the store, and I'm finna take y'all in the store with me. I hope my phone don't get wet, because I feel like it's finna get wet. So, y'all ready? Y'all, I miss y'all. I ain't seen y'all in so long. Like, I know y'all miss me. I know y'all miss me. I miss y'all too. Y'all. Yeah, I didn't even know it was raining outside. I had on sandals today, and now my feet soaking wet, like soap. And I don't like when my feet be soaked, but it is. So, ooh, y'all, I can't wait to drop these new products. I cannot wait. Y'all, drop down in the comments if y'all want some more entrepreneur videos. Let me know what y'all want, in case like y'all trying to start a business or something and y'all want some information. Drop in the comments what y'all want me to make a video about, and I will deliver for you.
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually not sure where those will be at. Sorry, you're welcome.
So y'all, I thought the camera really be shaking when I be driving, but it really don't. I like that. Cause when I'm driving, the camera be shaking so much, but when I watch the video, it's not shaking like that. So I'm finna get ready and go home, y'all. They didn't have what I was really intended to go in there to get, but I just ordered it from somewhere else. Whew. But y'all, so like I said, I just relaunched, and I'm so happy about that because I was closed for like 2 months. 2 months, almost 3 months, because I was trying to rebrand, and it ended up being longer than I thought it would be. So it's okay. I'm back open, and I am so excited. And it seems like every time I be vlogging, I be in the car. Like, I guess this my good place to vlog, I guess. So I guess I'll just talk to y'all all the way till I get home. Then just make sure y'all drop in the comments some videos y'all want to see, because I'ma try to at least post once a week, because I've been saying that I was gonna get back on it for the longest, and then every time I say I'm gonna do a video, something else came up. But that's okay though, because I gotta make time for my MoFam. Like, what do y'all even want to be called? Like, do y'all want to be MoFam? Like, let me know what y'all want to be called. So when I'm opening up my channel, I can refer to y'all as like MoFam, because I call y'all MoFam, I call y'all babes, because y'all gonna always be my babes. So y'all always gonna be my MoFam. But if y'all want to be called something else too, just let me know. Just let me know, and I got you. Y'all, it seems like it's gonna take me forever to get home. I like for people to support me that really don't know me, because like when the people know you, like some people be like not, trying to say other stuff, but like some people, they just like, they be hating on you. Some people be hating on you. I'm not saying all, but it's like some people who actually know you, and some people that know of you, like you went to school with, or you just know them from around the way. Like, some people won't support you because it's you. You feel me? Like, they won't support you because it's you. Like, they'll, support everybody else, which is fine, because me, I'm not finna beg nobody to support me, because I know I got genuine supporters. I know I got loyal supporters. I know people gonna rock with me, and I just feel like the people who rock with you the most is the people who really don't know you, because I've gotten way more support from people that don't know me than do know me. And the people that you think will support you, sometimes they don't support you. And you know what? You gotta be okay with it, because at first, like when I first started my business, like being honest, because I'm gonna give it to y'all raw, like I thought way more people that knew me would support me, but I found out that, sometimes it ain't like that, which is fine. So I'm not upset about it. Like, okay, like it's enough for everybody out here. Like, it's enough for everybody to win out here. Like, you have people always talking down on you, talking down on what you doing. Like, just mind your business. Mind a business that pays you. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't know how to mind their own business though. So I just be doing me. I just be focused on me, myself, and my business. I'm not worried about what nobody else doing. Like, I gotta focus on me. Like, no, I'm not worried about nobody else. I gotta focus on what I gotta do and what I want for my life. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes these people don't mean you don't good. Like, these people don't want to see you doing good. But one thing about me is I'm gonna do what I gotta do for me and mine. Do you feel me? Like, do you feel me, sis? Do you feel me? because it just be some people out here that you will have people that be like, they'll tell you, oh, I'm so proud of you, girl, you doing so good, girl, you start your business, I'm gonna support you, so, and then guess what? They never support you. But that's fine. Like, you can't take that stuff to the head. Like, you can't, like, if somebody say, oh, I'm gonna support you, you can't be like, oh yeah, they say they was gonna support me, and then they don't. Like, it don't really matter. Like, if you're gonna support. That's how I run my business. If you're gonna support, just support. Like, you know, you have people that's like, oh girl, I'm a shop with you, I'm gonna shop your business on my next payday. Like, you don't really have to tell me that. Like, not trying to be mean, not trying to be rude, but you really don't have to tell me that. If you're gonna support me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need all that, you know, I'm gonna support you, because you will have people that say, oh, I'm gonna support you when I get paid, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and then they don't. Like, so that's why you can't take that stuff to the head. Like, you just have to, as a business owner, you just gotta keep it pushing. Like, you can't let this stuff bother you. You cannot let this stuff bother you. Because I know I don't let it bother me. When I first started, like I said, I was first time just learning a lot of stuff. So I was like, you know, oh, they said that was gonna support me, but they didn't. But it really don't matter. Like, you live, and as your business grows, you learn a lot of more stuff. So you can't let this stuff get to you. Like, because I know some people, you know, let that stuff bother them when, you know, because I've been there, and I know how they feel. But you can't let this stuff get to you. Because sis, it's about our coins, all 2020 and the rest of the year is going. Like, we trying to set this, you know, we trying to set this stuff up for our future kids, and you know, we may have nieces and nephews, and you know, all these people looking up to us. Like, I got people looking up to me that don't even know me, and I love it. Like, all I want to do is inspire people. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and that's exactly what I'm gonna keep doing, because I'm gonna stay true to myself. Period. Do you feel me? Period. I think I'm gonna have to get that on a shirt or something. Do you feel me? Because, like, I'm trying to see, do y'all feel me as much as I'm feeling what I'm saying? Because I know, like, this some real stuff. Like, people, like, you got people looking up to you. Like, you got, even if people don't support you, it's okay. It's okay, because as long as you doing what you gotta do, you gonna have somebody that's gonna support you. You gonna have somebody that's gonna recognize what you're doing. They're gonna say, hey, look, I see what you're doing, and I love what you're doing. It's people out there that you think don't see what you're doing, but they actually see what you're doing. Like, it's people watching you even when you think people not watching you. So I'm just trying to drop a little knowledge for the people that may not, you know, or, you know, the younger girls that's under me that's, you know, trying to come up, trying to start their businesses at 16, 17. Because if I was 16 and 17 and I know what I know now, I would have been started a business long time ago. So I'm just saying, y'all. But I truly do appreciate all the people who have followed me along on my journey this far, because without you guys, there will be no more soft skin. And I am very grateful, and I am very thankful for y'all. Like, y'all will never understand. Like, I'ma always remember the people who came up with me. I'll never forget y'all. And I just want y'all to know that. But it feel like it's taking me forever to get home. It really do. Maybe because the store's out on the other side of the town. So, but yeah, I'm just saying, y'all, this is just for anybody who wanna, you know, who needs to hear this. And when I came on here, like, I just knew I was gonna vlog. I didn't even know that I was gonna, you know, talk to y'all about this. But, you know, I feel like that needs to be addressed, because some people, you know, don't know how to handle that. Some people, you know, feel like they need the support of people that know them. You don't have to have that support from people who know you, because it's gonna be people, you know, that don't know you from all around the world that's here to support you. You know, because it's haters out here. It's jealousy. You know, people envying you. It's so much going on in the world today that you can't even worry about, you know, who not there for you. You need to worry. As long as you there for you and you got God, baby, you don't need nothing on nobody else. You don't need nothing on nobody else. Because God comes first always, especially in my life and in my business. That's who comes first, period. Start that business, sis. If you you hesitate on starting a business because you're like, oh, I don't know if these people will support me, how many people will support me, that don't matter. Start that business, sis, and flourish. Start that business, do what you gotta do, and you gonna flourish. I'm telling you, you will. Don't let nothing or nobody stop you. Like, you scared to take that risk, baby, jump, leap, like go, like for real. I'm about to pull up at home, y'all, and I really appreciate y'all for going along with me on my vlog today. I just thank you guys so very much. And like I said, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will be back with another entrepreneur vlog really soon. So thank you guys for watching, and your girl is out.